Okay, this is my first part of the video on how to dehydrate rice. What we got in here is some long grain brown rice. I love that kind of rice. And it just got through done being cooked. Now, if you don't know how to cook brown rice, I'm going to kind of tell you how I do it. The long grain, I put 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. So we have 2 cups of rice in here, so that means 4 cups of water. Now I did not add any salt, I did not add any butter, because we are dehydrating that. And those items are going, we already have too much salt in our diet anyway. And, grease, any kind of greasy product, butter, such as, and all that, all it's going to do is just make everything go rancid. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set this up, put it on the trays, spread it out, and I'll bring you back right when I put it on the trays. Okay, but before we go on, yeah, sorry about that, it's 11:30 here, and I'm going to try to get this done before I go to bed. I did put some homemade beef broth, or beef bouillon, or chicken bouillon on here. It is what I made, and I dehydrated it. I turned it into a nice dehydrated texture, sort of like fruit roll-ups. I then broke it up, put it in a grinder. Actually, not even a grinder, it's my food mill, or my food processor, and went ahead and put that in a jar. And what I did is I just took 2 tablespoons of that and put it in there. And because I didn't use any salt in there, it's just pure chicken flavoring, and that's it. Okay, so what you want to do is take your rice, layer it out, and you'll see that 2 cups of brown rice makes a whole lot. Okay, so kind of layer it out. All right, try to get this as thin as you can. Now I did go over to the sink and strain all the extra water out. I did not show that step. I kind of figured y'all or you probably know how to do this better than I do. And I don't know why you watch my video, but anyway, I thank you for doing it, but that's the way it is. Alright, with that done, I'm gonna go over here to the dehydrator and put my first tray in. Put it in right here. The reason why I'm not putting this all the way to the top is because I want this to get airflow across it. Now we're going to do the next one. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you back when I get the last one done, and I'll show you what temperature set it at. See ya. Okay, we're back, and I got this ladled out. As you can see, it only made 1 more tray. But this is a dehydrator. Now I'm gonna skip a space between it and the one above it. Now I'm gonna put that in. Let me turn you up where you can see the temperatures. Fingers out of the way, John. I can't see through them. Now I wish my daughter was here doing this. She does it a whole lot better than I do, but she's got homeschool in the morning, so that's where she is. Alright, so we're going to hit our temperature. We're going to drop this down to, we're going to go down to 100. And 35. Okay, we're going to go here to the temperature, and we're going to go up to 8 hours. Oop. Can y'all tell I've been drinking a little bit? Alright, we're going to start out at 8 hours. I'm thinking it's going to be closer to 10. I'm going to go ahead and put it on 10 because it's not going to hurt it none. There you go, 10 hours. And you start it. As y'all can tell, my dehydrator is getting a workout. I don't normally do a lot of this, but I wanted to show everybody that it's pretty daggone simple. I could have done most of this in one setting, but I want to do individual lessons. So, and that's that. So, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow with part 2. See ya. All right, good morning, people. We're here to finish up this video for dehydrating rice. Yeah, appreciate everybody sending me messages. Anyway, so I checked it at the 8-hour mark. It was done, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. I should have went ahead and did 8 hours instead of 10, but you never know. But here it is, coming out. Now, hope y'all can see this. Okay, good. Let me pull this up just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take the camera down just a tad. All right. See how nice this is? It's really nice. All you gotta do is break it up. Now what I do is I take a freezer bag. I make my own vacuum seal bags. Now, if you haven't got a food saver or anything like that, you should seriously consider getting one. It's a lifesaver. But I take the bag, open it up a little bit, and just start dropping my rice in. Okay? It's nice and dry. I haven't got to worry about anything being wet in there, because like I said, I checked it pretty damn good. And I know y'all don't see me do it, but I take a lot of precaution when I make my food. I mean, I clean the counters, I clean the stove, I clean the pans really good. And y'all should. Now, I don't wear gloves when I'm doing this, but I don't need gloves doing this. The time I wear gloves is when I'm dealing with raw chicken. Okay, that's one. And this is 2. Alright, so that's 2 cups of brown rice. Now, I know I could have left it in the bag and cooked it for 45 minutes in my truck. Or who wants to wait 45 minutes in their truck cooking? I got better things to do, like sleeping. So, I fold mine over like this. Just roll it up a little bit. And I put it down. And I just crunch it up. And I know there's going to be some heavy do-gooder out there that's going to say, but you're poking holes. Well, no, I'm not. I've done this so many times, I'm not poking holes in it. And it's good. You know? And I'll prove that to you. Now, if y'all hold on, I'll move my food saver over here and show you how it seals up. Alright, so we're going to vacuum seal this. Pull this up a little bit where y'all can get a little closer. Sorry about all the movement. Alright, so put in my vacuum sealer. Like this. Drop it down. Kind of make it even. Now what I like to do is kind of flatten it out a little bit. So I don't want all that bulk. Put this on run. And I hit this button that says seal. That's basically that. Just waiting for it to seal up, and all them little lights go off on top of two center lights like it just did, go out, and it's done. I can take this, open it up, and there she is. She's sealed up. Nice, firm. Nice and firm. So, there you go. Now that's dehydrating rice. It's pretty damn simple. Anybody can do it. I've said this multiple times, over and over. It's not hard, because if it was hard, I wouldn't be doing it. Because some of y'all know I'm a lazy man. I let the machine do the work. I just do the labor in between. So, thank y'all for watching. See ya.